Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses quantitative aptitude video on ratio and proportion. We are solving question on ratio involving numbers. Please watch all my video on this topic for preparation of all competitive exams like GRE, CAT, ACT, SAT and all other exams. Our question is, the ratio of two numbers is 4:7. The difference of these numbers is 216. Find sum of the numbers. The given options are option A 687, option B 894, option C 1120, option D 792. We can solve this question orally from the given options. As given to us, the numbers are in the ratio 4:7 and their sum, if we take these two numbers, their sum is 4 plus 7 is 11. And if we observe the given options, the number must be divisible by 11. Option A 687 is not divisible by 11. From the divisibility rule of 11, we can easily say that option A is not divisible by 11. Option B is also not divisible by 11. Option C again is not divisible by 11. But option D 792 is divisible by 11, as the sum of the digits at even place is 9 and sum of the digits at odd places is 7 plus 2 is 9, and the difference between these two sums must be 0 or 11. Here it is 0. So the number 792 is divisible by 11. Hence our answer is option D 792. Now we solve the questions with the conventional method. If the two numbers are A and B, then A ratio B is 4:7. This we can write equal to 4K ratio 7K. Now difference of these two numbers, difference equal to 7K minus 4K is 3K, and this is given that the difference 3K is equal to 216 and sum is 7K plus 4K is 11K equal to, so it is 216 multiplied by 11K divided by 3K. The K in numerator and denominator is cancelled, and 3 divides 216 for 72 times, and 72 multiplied by 11 is equal to 792. And from the given options, our answer is option D. We go to the next question. The ratio of two numbers is 7:11. The difference of these numbers is 624. Find sum of the numbers. The given options are option A 2619, option B 2576, option C 2808, option D 2295. We can solve this question orally, as the given ratio is 7:11 and it has been asked to find the sum of the numbers, and sum of the ratio is 7 plus 11 is 18. It means that the number must be divisible by 18. And how can we find it to be divisible by 18? If the sum of the digits of the given options is divisible by 9 and it is even, then that will be our answer. So from the given options, option A and option D are eliminated as these two numbers are not even. And now our answer must be from option B and option C. The sum of the digits of option B is 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 7 is 14, plus 6 is 20, and 20 is not divisible by. So the only option left is option C, but we should check it. The sum of the digit is 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 8 is 18. So this is divisible by 9 as well as it is even. So it is divisible by 18. Thus, from the given options, our answer must be option C. Now we solve this question conventionally as well. Let the numbers be A and B. Then A ratio B equal to 7 ratio 11. So difference is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. So difference we say 4 parts equal to 624 given to us. And sum is 18 parts. So 18 parts equal to 624 multiplied by 18 divided by 4. And 4 divides 624 for 156 times. How we can calculate fast? 600 divided by 4 is 150 and 24 divided by 4 is 6. So it is 156. Now 18 multiplied by 156 is 2808, which is our answer. And from the given options, our answer is option C. We go to the next question. Our question is the ratio of two numbers is 3 ratio 7. The difference of their squares is 1440. Find sum of their squares. The given options are option A 2088, option B 2205, option C 2020, option D 2225. We can solve this question orally. It is asked the sum of the squares of the two numbers. Now the numbers are in the ratio 3 ratio 7. So square of 3 is 9 and square of 7 is 49. And the sum of their squares is 58. So from the given options, the number which is divisible by 58 must be our answer. And if we observe the options, then option B is not even number, as any number which is divisible by 58 must be even. And option D is also not even. Therefore, option B and D are eliminated. Now, our answer must be from 2088 and 2020. If 58 divides 2020, then for unit place after multiplication must be 0. So 58 can have 0 in unit place after multiplication by any number, must be either 10 or 20 or 30 or 40. If we multiply 58 by 40, then it is more than 2020, as 10 times of 58 is 580, 20 times is 1160, and double of 1160 is 2320. So which is not 2020. Thus the only option left is option A, and if we divide 2088, then for coming 8 in unit place, the 58 multiplied by a number which has 6 in unit place. So it must be either 26, 36 or 46. It cannot be 26, because if it is 26, then the multiplication will be less than 2000. And if it is 46, then it will be more than 2500. Thus, it should be multiple of 36. 58 multiplied by 36 must be 2088. Hence, our answer is option A. Now we solve this question with the traditional method. Let the number be A and B. Then A ratio B equal to 3k ratio 7k and 7k square minus 3k square given to us is 1440. 7k whole square is 49k square and 3k whole square is 9k square. So 49k square minus 9k square is 40k square equal to 1440. This gives k square equal to 36. Now we have to find the value of 7k whole square plus 3k whole square. This is equal to 49k square plus 9k square is 58k square. And if we put the value of k square, then we get 58 multiplied by 36, and this gives us 2088. And from the given options, our answer is option A. We go to the next question. Our question is, three numbers are in the ratio 3:5:4. The sum of their squares is 6050. Find difference of largest and smallest number. The given options are option A 22, option B 16, option C 24, option D 28. We can solve this question orally. It is given that the sum of the squares of these three numbers, which are in the ratio 3:5:4, is 6050. If we do the squares of these numbers and add them, then square of 3 is 9, square of 5 is 25, and square of 4 is 16. 9 plus 25 plus 16 is 50. And if we divide 6050 by 50, we get 121. And 121 is square of 11. And if we multiply the largest number in 3, 5 and 4 is 5. 11 times 5 is 55. And smallest number is 3. 11 times 3 is 33. 55 minus 33 is 22. And from the given options, our answer is option A. This way we can solve this question orally. Now let us solve it by conventional method so that you can understand the concept of solving the question. Let the numbers be 3k, 5k and 4k. Therefore, sum of their square is 3k square plus 5k square plus 4k square. The whole square of 3k is 9k square plus the whole square of 5k is 25k square plus whole square of 4k is 16k square. This is equal to 50k square. Therefore, 50k square equal to 6050. This gives k square equal to 6050 divided by 50. 0 is cancelled by 0 and 5 cancels 605 for 121 times. Therefore, k equal to square root of 121, which is 11. Now, largest number is 5k and smallest number is 3k, which is equal to 2k, and 2 multiplied by value of k is 11 is equal to 22. Thus, the difference of largest number 5k and smallest number 3k is 22. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 22. We go to the next question. Our question is, if A ratio B is 4 ratio 3 and B ratio C is 6 ratio 5, the product of A, B and C is 15,360. Find the sum of A, B and C. Our options are option A 70, option B 76, option C 87, option D 81. We solve the question like this. A ratio B is 4 ratio 3 and B ratio C is 6 ratio 5. So we have to make B in both the ratio equal. So what we do, we multiply A ratio B by 2 so that we can get A ratio B equal to 4 times 2 is 8 ratio 3 times 2 is 6. Now in both the ratios A ratio B and B ratio C, the value of B is 6. Therefore A ratio B ratio C is equal to 8 ratio 6 ratio 5. Now product of A, B and C. So A into B into C equal to, it is 8K multiplied by 6K multiplied by 5K. This is equal to 6 times 5 is 30 and 30 times 8 is 240. So this is 240 K cube and it is given to us is equal to 15,360, giving us K cube equal to 15,360 divided by 240. 0 of denominator cancels the 0 of numerator and 24 cancels 1536 for 64 times, giving K equal to 4. As K cube equal to 64, therefore K equal to 4. Now the sum of A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equal to 8K plus 6K plus 5K is 19K and 19 times 4 76, and from the given options our answer is option B. We go to the next question. Our question is, if A ratio B is 2 ratio 3 and B ratio C is 2 ratio 5, the product of A and C is 2940. Find number B. The given options are option A 36, option B 48, option C 42, option D 54. We solve the question like this. It is given that A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3 and B ratio C is equal to 2 ratio 5. Now here in first case the value of B is 3 and in second case the value of B is 2. So we have to make it equal. Therefore in A ratio B we multiply the ratio by 2, so it becomes 4 ratio 6. 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 2 is 6. And in B ratio C we multiply it by 3, so it becomes 6 ratio 15. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 5 is 15. Now here the value of B in both the ratio is 6. So we can write A ratio B ratio C equal to 4 ratio 6 ratio 15. This we can also write 4K ratio 6K ratio 15K. Therefore product of A and C, A multiplied by C equal to 4k into 15k, this is equal to 60k square, and it is given that product of A and C is equal to 2940. 0 is cancelled from both the side and 6 divides 294 for 49 times. Thus k square equal to 49 gives us k equal to 7. Now it is asked the value of B, and value of B is 6k, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 7 equal to 42. Therefore, our answer is option C, value of B equal to 42. We go to the next question. Our question is the ratio of three numbers is 1 upon 4 ratio 2 upon 5 ratio 1 upon 3. The difference between greatest and smallest number is 27. Find the numbers. We convert the ratios which are given in fraction in whole numbers. 1 upon 4 ratio 2 upon 5 ratio 1 upon 3. If we multiply all these fractions by LCM of 4, 5 and 3, which is 60, then we get 60 when multiplied to 1 upon 4 gives us 15, and 2 upon 5 gives us 24. 60 when multiplied by 1 upon 3 gives us 20. So the ratio becomes 15 ratio 24 ratio 20. This can be written as 15k ratio 24k ratio 20k. Therefore, difference between the greatest number and the smallest number, which is 24k minus 15k. These are the greatest and smallest number, equal to 9k, and this is given to us is equal to 27. This gives k equal to 3. 27 when divided by 9 gives us 3. Therefore, the numbers are 15k is 45, 24k is 72, and 20k is 20 multiplied by 3 is 60. Thus our numbers are 45, 72 and 60. We go to the next question. Our question is, the three numbers are in the ratio 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 2.5 and their product is 6480. Find the greatest number. Given options are option A 30, option B 35, option C 40 and option D 25. The given ratio is in decimal. We convert into whole number. The given ratios are 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 2.5. We convert these decimals into whole numbers, and on multiplying all these ratios by 2, we get 2 ratio 3. 1.5 times 2 is 3 ratio 2.5 times 2 is 5. So it becomes 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. We can also write this equal to 2k ratio 3k ratio 5k, and on multiplying the product is 2k multiplied by 3k multiplied by 5k equal to 30k cube, and this is given equal to 6480. We cancel the 0 on both sides and 3 divides 648 for 216 times. Thus k cube equal to 216. Therefore k equal to cube root of 216, which is 6. Therefore the greatest number is 5k. 5k is 6 times 5 or 5 times 6 equal to 30. And from the given option, the answer is option A. We go to the next question. Our question is, two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 20 is added to both the numbers, the ratio becomes 7:9. Find the numbers. The given options are option A 60 and 100, option B 45 and 75, option C 15 and 25, option D 24 and 40. We can solve this question orally from the given options, as all the options are in the ratio 3:5, but on adding 20 the ratio becomes 7:9. So if we add 20 to the second number of each option, then it must be divisible by 9. So if we add 20 to 100, it becomes 120, which is not divisible by 9. If we add 20 to 75, it becomes 95. It is also not divisible by 9. And if we add 20 to 25, it becomes 45, which is divisible by 9. And if we add 20 to last option 40, then it becomes 60. This is also not divisible by 9. Hence, our option is option C, 15 and 25. This way we can easily solve such type of question orally from the given options. Now we can also verify the first number. If we add 20 to 15, it becomes 35, and this number must be divisible by 7. As we know that 35 is divisible by 7, hence we can say that our answer is option C, 15 and 25. Now we can solve it also. As the numbers are in the ratio 3:5, so we can write them as 3k upon 5k, and we add 20 to both the numbers, so the numbers become 3k plus 20 and 5k plus 20, and now this is in the ratio 7:9, so we write it as 7 upon 9. Thus our equation is 3k plus 20 upon 5k plus 20 equal to 7 upon 9, and by cross multiplication we get 7 times 5k plus 20 is 35k plus 140 equal to 9 times 3k plus 20 is 27k plus 180. This gives 35 minus 27 is 8k equal to 180 minus 140 is 40, giving k equal to 5. 40 when divided by 8 gives us 5. Now our numbers are 3k and 5k. So 3k is 3 multiplied by 5 and 5k is 5 multiplied by 5. This is equal to 15 and 25. And from the given options, our answer is option C. We go to the next question. Two numbers are in the ratio 9:13. If 24 is added to first number and 24 is subtracted from the second number, the ratio becomes 1:1. Find the numbers. The given numbers are in the ratio 9:13. So we write it as 9k upon 13k, and 24 is added to the first number while 24 is subtracted from the second number. So we add 24 to 9k and subtract 24 from 13k. and this becomes equal to 1:1. Now we just solve the equation and we get the answer. So by cross multiplication we get 13k minus 24 equal to 9k plus 24. 13k minus 9k is 4k equal to 24 plus 24 is 48, giving k equal to 12. Therefore our numbers are 9 multiplied by 12 and 13 multiplied by 12. 12 times 9 equal to 108 and 13 times 12 is 156. Thus our answer is 108 and 156. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.